Kajabi is an online platform to create the courses, coaching, podcasts, and even the membership or communities. With the help of this online tool, you can also manage your payments, and this tool can help you to grow your websites, email lists, and many more. But in this video, we are talking about the Kajabi's affiliate program. So going on to the home page, you can go to down below and click the become an affiliate. There are three ways to become a partner with Kajabi, but as a content creator, most of you would be joining this affiliate program, so you can just click on this learn more. Once you share this Kajabi platform with your audience, you will get paid for 30% lifetime commission for each member you refer. So if you have a niche audience who are interested in making money online by creating the online courses, or even if you can promote this platform to the authors and the teachers also, because I'm just going to show you in a minute that how these teachers and authors are using this platform to teach online or to talk about their books online. The best way to promote the Kajabi affiliate program is to use the Kajabi. And if you are a content creator or you create online courses, then you just use that and show it to your audience that this is how they can create the online courses too and make money as you are doing it. So once you refer this, you can even make more money, because you will get 30% recurring commission for the fee that they will be paying to the Kajabi. So speaking of the fee structure, the basic plan of Kajabi is $119 a month, and it goes up to 319 in the pro version of that. At 30% off for this 120 is going to be around $40. So even if somebody joins the basic plan of Kajabi, you will still be earning $40 per month for that person till the time that person continues to use that Kajabi. So as of the resources for the partners, so they will give you the all-in-one video page, PDF file, swipe copy for your email templates that you can send it to your audience, and through these resources you can promote this Kajabi affiliate program. Another interesting thing that they've explained is that each referral will take you to the next level or closer to the next level, in which you will get some other exciting perks or rewards, but they have not explained that what rewards or extra commission that you would earn if you move from starter to blue up to a legend. So how much commission that you can make, as already explained, 30% lifetime commission for a new referrals that stays active past that trial period. You can receive your these commissions either through PayPal or on the bank account. These will be paid the 25th of every month, and in case it is you have not received yet, they have a policy of 60-day hold period for the partner payout. You can go on to this page and you will see that how the teachers are using beyond their classroom to teach the students and earning extra money by creating the online courses. Similarly, this online platform is helpful for the authors also, because beyond their books they can also create these one-on-one connection with their readers through using this platform, and you can watch this video for this purpose. We are doing the reviews of the popular affiliate programs that are available online. If you want to check out more, you can see that playlist which is displayed on the end screen card right now. If you found some value in this video, do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.